Guys, I may or may have not just woke up and have allergies. Welcome. It's today, another day, another Zelda. We are here. It is early. It's not too early, but it's early. It's 9:58 today. I feel really bad from yesterday and the fact that I recorded in like 5 minutes. So that's why I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna get up early and I'm just gonna start playing. And that's what we're doing. I don't even have any news. I kind of just kept everything from yesterday, so. And I'm sorry I sound like this. Maybe I should have took an allergy pill before I started recording. But this is the sniffing episode. Mr. Zelda himself has a little cold. I do have. Maybe I should take it real quick before I start this. Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. Hold on. I'm gonna quickly pause it. Dang it. All right. Maybe it's a bad time. Maybe it's a bad time of recording this, but the more faster, the better. So I took my pill. I'm all ready to go for the day. I also forgot to. So yesterday, obviously, I was in a rush, and I know 2 days prior to that, we were trying out the HUD and seeing how that goes, and I forgot to turn it off. Now it's back off, so I can do more thumbnail opportunities like this. Wow, how amazing is that? I don't even know if that's gonna be the thumb. I don't know. I like doing that just for the sad one. Anyways, let's start the timer and let us go and do the thing. Let's play the game. They just want to play the game. Okay. Holy cow. I forgot Bird Boy's crazy. So really today, oh shoot. Okay. Well, today's going to be an interesting, or this is going to be an interesting one. How about I do something crazy? How about I go just a little wild since we have quite a bit of these. If I could find them. There we go. Dang, 25? Holy cow. I don't know what happened. Hi, buddy. I hope you're doing well. We're about to whack you with stuff. Okay. Sorry, man. I've fought you before, so... Not really. Not really, you know. Dang, bird boy. Yeah, I'm not the puny guy you used to know. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Ooh, nice. I might equip one of these things to the spear. Oh, whoa, wrong one. Hold on now. Hold on now. Wrong one. So today, pretty much a chill day. It's my last day before work. And it's a Monday, so you guys probably know what that means. It's movie time. I also watch movies on Tuesdays, if I didn't let you guys know beforehand. I'm pretty sure I did. So today, so we got through all the Fast and Furious movies, as I said last week, and we've officially, I did a whole keynote and everything about it, and I didn't finish it. I got some of the way through. And now today we're finally starting our new thing, which is the Marvel movies, which is a big list. And thankfully, it was confusing for a little bit. We didn't know exactly what to do in terms of like how we're going to do this. Because now Doomsday is the newest movie that's going to come out soon. And that one has the X-Men. And, you know, I haven't watched the X-Men. And, like, that's now required watching material, like his Spider-Man and Spider-Man, Amazing Spider-Man. Like, that's all now required to, like, have, like, to watch. So I'm like, well, that's interesting. Because, Where am I going with this? I said that's interesting because now how do we watch these movies? Because it used to be just, you know, watch all the main ones first from the MCU, and then, you know, they're starting to include all these other things from past, like Deadpool and Wolverine was introducing, not introducing, but brought back a lot of old stuff from the Fox universe and stuff like that. And it's like, no, now we're doing more Fox universe. Also, don't know where I'm going. I see one. No, that's not it. There's one up there. So I think we could try and grab that. We are still heading that way, right? Jeez Louise, there's a lot of space. Like, I feel like we've done a lot in this area. And I don't know how boring it is to keep looking at the constant darkness. Oh, just me still running around. But man, we have covered a lot of area in this and still barely scratched the surface of it a little bit. Like, we still have a whole top area. Like, that's crazy. And also I'm running out of bows. We're not gonna do so good. Oh shoot. Oh, this ain't good. Whoa. Okay. Alright. Let's throw one right here. Okay. So yeah, but and we were trying to figure out if we should watch X-Men first, all the Spider-Mans first, and then get into that. Or we could just do like, which is kind of what we ended up with, is so since it doesn't really, we don't really need to know all that, like X-Men, Spider-Man, pretty much that's it, unless there's more stuff they're gonna throw at us. I don't know, I haven't seen the movie. We could, like, I don't know, but pretty much the point is we're gonna be watching like all the X-Men stuff later. Like, pretty much we're gonna get through the main MCU, which is, you know, all the way until probably, so regular like Iron Man all the way to Endgame, and then switch up and then start doing the you know, the hold on, I'm trying to think. Start doing the, bro, where's my brain going? I was on such a straight mode, and now I'm like, I don't remember what I was saying. Oh, tree. Yeah, go through Endgame, and then once we get past Endgame, then we start watching all the other stuff. That way, we're like, okay. Oh gosh, it's so dark. Oh. But yeah, we're just like, okay. So, and that's where we start watching Spider-Man, X-Men, pretty much everything that we need to watch, which is really just those. I mean, I think we gotta have to get, like, it's kind of crazy that now the shows are a little bit more integrated. And I'm like, oh crap. I don't want to watch the shows because that's just so much more content that we have to consume. And so, and mainly we're a movie thing. It's Movie Monday, not Show Monday. So, where did the thing go? I just saw it. It's like past this, I think. I'm gonna shoot right here. Okay. I need to stop using my arrows. I mean, it's kind of needed for this because, you know, I can't see. But it's like, dang, I'm barely getting any bows. I'm barely getting any arrows. Holy cow. I mean, granted, they do have these people here. But, I don't know. Oh, okay. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I'm excited to go through them all. Kinda. I don't know. I've never been... So it's crazy. I like Spider-Man a lot. But there was a time, and it still is kind of true, but I'm not the biggest Marvel guy. Hold on, I gotta Steve. Oh my gosh, bless me. Thank you guys. Hold on, one more time. Oh, thank you guys. I appreciate you. I know you guys said bless you, and I appreciate that. Oh, we're back to sniffling. I'm sorry, guys. I wish I brought tissues and it just started sneezing into it. Where was I going with this? I don't remember. I don't remember. Oh yeah, I'm not the biggest Marvel guy because it's like they're all kind of the same. It's just kind of not really hitting me as much as it did. Like actually at all. Like I was a big fan of Iron Man, not Captain, Hulk, and then we were getting movies about Thor, and I was just like, and then Captain America, I was like, and then we got to Avengers, and then boom, we're here where we are now. Okay, we definitely missed one of the ball sacks. Let's see. Oh, there's one all the way over there. I don't know if that would be the one that we need, but alas, we'll figure that out when we get there. Let's get to where we needed to keep going, which is this way. But yeah, I'm not the biggest Marvel fan, and it like didn't hit me that I haven't watched like all of them until like I got to like the only one that I was actually excited to go see at the time was Guardians because it just looked so fun in the trailers and everything, and I was like, you know what? I really want to watch that one. And I did. That one was great. Oh, big guy. I mean, we could try and fight big guy. But we're chatting right now, so I don't know if I want to do that right now. Is that one? Oh, that one's... Where's that one? That one's further, but like closer. Oh, there's the one we need to go to. Okay, so we just need to keep going. What is this? I keep pushing. I'm sorry. We just got to keep going south. Gotcha. He's just eyeballing me. Hey, man. Let's chill. I may be strong enough to beat him, but I'm alright. I'm just trying to do my thing. No. I'm going to try to do my own thing. Oof, I should have grabbed tissues. You guys are going to hear me sniffling for a few minutes. Or maybe I should pause it real quick and then grab it. Ah, this is the most pauses I've done. Hold on. Crap, I just realized the timer's still going. I just blew my nose and now I'm back. I'm a little bit more set. Not really, it's probably gonna hit me still. This ain't good. What do we do, bird boy? How do I get across this? What? Just don't let it touch me for long. Gotcha. Oh, just jump right into it. Aha, look at me go, look at me go. Where was I going with this? Sorry, Marvel? Yeah. It's pretty good. Yeah, not the biggest Marvel guy, but that's okay. It is what it is. We all don't like the same thing. And, pretty much... Where am I going with this? I don't know. I do not know. Alright, so we got another big sword. Hi. Die. I'm trying to figure out what I'm trying to say. Sorry guys. Wow, my nose is running. Dang, this is definitely the sniffing gameplay, that's for sure. Sniffing gameplay and Marvel talk. Because I've just been talking about Marvel this whole time. But yeah, Marvel is it's a good one. I can't wait to get through it and then see if I missed anything crazy or if I really didn't miss anything at all. Which is probably that. But it's definitely going to be an experience. I just can't wait to, do it. Hi guys, sorry. Oh, there's a little. Oh, nice. Hi guys. I know we're all made out of rocks and everything, but it's time to whack you. Ouch. Okay, hold on now. Come on, I jumped. Oh, I'll take all that. Dang, what's up, man? I don't have any space for nothing. Bro, I just need some arrows. Oh. Chest? Yeah. Oh, I thought that was a bow. I was like, dang, that's a cool looking bow. Never mind. It's not a bow. Oops. Bye. Yes. I will take all of these. Okay. Anyways, hi guys. How are you guys doing? Marvel? Yeah, Marvel. So yeah, I'm more like I'm excited to see how, you know, Iron Man is. Like that one I'm intrigued by. You know what? Oh man, I wish I had a torch. You know, we could just jump up to the surface real quick and then just quickly go get a torch. Cause like, man, I really need it. I really need to see. We could, huh? There's another one over there? Is that the one I needed to go to? No. This is a different one. What we need to go to is this way. Right. Somewhere around here. Oh, it's over there. Okay. We're doing pretty good with lights, though. Or these seeds. Oh, is this another one? Guys, we're getting to another infirmary. Or another, not infirmary. The other thing. Oh, yes. More battery. I mean, we barely only have 9, so I don't think we're going to get a whole lot, but... And yeah, I know, we're just kind of running through this again, but it's like, bro, we're going to get, like, every item in the world when we get all these, like, stuff. When I get all my, what do you call it? When I get all the, water. Watch. Oh man, SpongeBob is amazing. What a great show. Man, I watch all SpongeBob episodes before I watch all Marvel movies. But hey, that's just me. Anyways, where was I going with this? Oh yeah, Marvel's pretty good. I like them. But yeah. As I was going I guess I was going through my story. Whoa! It glows? Yo! What did we just get? This is amazing. Bird Boy, do you see this? This is crazy. This is gonna help us so much. Holy cow. Well, we just won the game. We just figured out our answer to, you know, doing this, running through this whole thing for a while. Bro, who made this mask? This mask is amazing. Oh, thank you. I definitely needed that. Okay, real quick. I'm not gonna pause this time. I'm gonna blow my nose. So if you guys don't like hearing me blowing my nose, don't listen real quick. Thank gosh I grabbed the tissues. Okay. Oh shoot. That's fine. I don't need to know. It's fine. I don't need to know. Hey man. Bro, this mask is gonna be the main. I'm gonna be rocking this mask even outside. My perfect mask. Dang it, I have so many titles now. I had like Sniffles and Marvels, and then I'm like, what did he say? Ah, yes. Yeah, I know. I don't think I can get all of them, but at least I can get a lot. Yes. And I could do not 15, but I could definitely do 3. Oh, nope, I can only do 1. I'll take 1 of your Zionites. Thank you. Okay. Alright, that is cool. I'm glad. I'm glad I found this mask. Ah. Hello. Are we ready to fight? Can I just shoot him now? Oh, no. Gotta talk to them first. Come on, I know. Alright, yeah, I thought this would be crazy, but it's not that crazy. It's like a little bit of light. It's a little better than like nothing. But I'm still gonna rock it, man. This is a cool mask in general. Okay, yeah, cause like I'm still gonna run into something and then it's still gonna hit me. Oh, dang! Holy cow, this one was a big one. Yay. Alright, so. Okay, we are actually getting to Mr. We're getting to him now. Oh my gosh, we're gonna see Sniper in this episode, guys. I can't wait. We're actually doing pretty well on time. Granted, it's not just 5 minutes that we were, you know, we had to go through last time, but you know, I don't want this. If I can get a better spear, then yeah, I'll take it. Which is what we did. Where was I going with this? Yeah, we're doing good on time. We kind of actually know where we're going now, compared to where we weren't, and we were just kind of like, well, how do we do this? That here. Yeah. And then we're gonna blow these guys like crazy. Oh, as I was saying, I didn't really get into Marvel. Obviously, I love Spider-Man. Spider-Man's great. But it's like, that's it. I don't really have anything else that's like, oh, you know, nothing that hits like that. So is a time bomb, like, can I just hit this and then it'll be just fine? Like, I'll be able to blast off. I don't know. I'm curious. We'll try this first, and then we'll see. Okay, yeah, no, that did not work. Okay. Alright. I see. Thought that was gonna be, like, blown up, and then I'll be like, oh, yeah, now I could travel. But it didn't work out that way. Holy cow. Hold up. I'm trying to do something creative, but it's not working out because I don't have any fire. I mean, I guess unless I do this, I can grab my little chili, my red chili pepper. No. What about if I hit up here? No. Okay, that's fine. It's fine. Let's go get Sniper. We're gonna climb up this, and then we wasted time there, but it's okay. It's all right. It happens. Where was I going with this, guys? I don't remember. Something. We were doing something, and I don't remember what that something was. Oh, we were just talking about Marvel. So. Yeah, so all the movies, I've pretty much skipped through, like, most of them. And then we got to Infinity War. Or, well, we got to Civil War, and then that's when they revealed Spider-Man. And I was like, I want to watch it, but I know I'm just going to watch mid. And then it just gets to Spider-Man. And then it's my favorite part. And let's just say that's exactly what it is. That movie in particular, I can't really stand. I'm just kind of like... Holy cow, I don't like... It's not that I don't like it, it's just so boring that I'm just ready to move on. And is that like another infirmary? Oh, I do want to try and get that one and then see if I can make back to Sniper. Yeah, let's go do this one first, and then we'll figure out what we're doing after. So yeah, that might be a hot take for a lot of people, but yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of Civil War, especially. And then after watching Endgame, or not Endgame, what's that one called? The Infinity War? The Infinity War. After that's like, oh wow, this was kind of pointless to be honest. I mean, I guess it was essential for uh what is that one called? Falcon and the Winter Soldier show. Jesus. Anyways, so pretty much I don't know what I'm saying. Dang, this is so much better. Actually, I very much I was like, you know, I'm gonna bump into things still. It's all this stuff, but it's like, bro, I could still see where I'm going though. Like it's not just complete darkness. So thank gosh. Sorry, what was I saying? I don't remember. I scratch head and figure out what I was saying. He's gonna start fighting me in a second. There's a homing thing. I don't remember how the homing thing works. Or I don't know which one it was. Is it one of the wings or the eyes? I think it's an eye, but I don't have any more eyes, I don't think. I didn't really get a whole lot of eyes. Or unless it's down here somewhere. Oh. Oh, yes, I do. Yeah, haha. Okay. Perfect. My trailer skills work best for me. Oh, anyways, Infinity War came out, and then it's like, dang, that one was kind of pointless. It was more of just like bringing up everybody and being like, whoa, look at this. Dang, come on now. Come on now, don't do me like that. Just go. Oh, dang it. How do we put this on there and then be able to fly up there? It's like it needs a rolling point or something. Oh, wait, I have the exact idea. Oh, yes. Slide that out. Go here. Okay. Alright, that did not work out at all as how I wanted. But then again, there is a infirmary, so we could just walk. Oh yeah, we really could have just walked. It's not even that bad. Alright, well at least we'll get one more light source. Let me just take care of this guy real quick. Bro, the homing one, literally insane. So good. So good. And I get it back too? Dang. Oh no. No. Can I walk by him? Do we have to talk? Hey man. I'll see you in a bit. I just need to go to the tower. Or I just need to go to the ball sack. Hold on, let me look. Let me look. Also, I need to blow my nose one more time. Sorry, guys. I know, Link. Hold on. Ooh. Okay. Alright, where is it at? Oh, it's all the way up there. Go up here. Can I go with this? So anyways, yeah, so pretty much right after this, I'm just gonna watch Marvel and then go on about my day. So just that's how it be. That's how it be. Yes. Okay. At least we have one light source down, or a few actually. We've done 3, I think. So I am happy about that. Oh, day! Look at us go. Holy cow. All right. Okay. And then we'll probably see Sniper tomorrow as well. So that's going to be good. But first, we have to deal with the bozo. We always got to deal with him. So we're going to be fighting the guy. So, because I see that boss arena, we already know what we're dealing with. So let me save here. I don't really think I have any more talking points other than pretty much I wasn't into Marvel, but then um the story behind Infinity War. Like I didn't really care about Infinity War when it came out, but everyone did. And then all of a sudden everyone was talking about Infinity War and I got spoiled on kind of what was happening like literally the first day at school at the time. So that was I mean, granted, I asked for it. I wasn't. I was like, I'm not gonna watch it. What happened? And then he was like, bro, everyone died. This person died. This person died. This person died. I was like, what? What do you mean? What happened? Yeah. And I was like, that's crazy. And then I got into it, and then I watched it, and I was like, okay, yeah, I get it. I get it now. And so I was excited for Endgame. I watched Endgame. I thought that one was okay. Definitely a hype moment, and then that was it. Now I'm just waiting for Spider Man. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later after I watch probably like 4 of them. So, bye.